Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce Aletta Jacobs, the Dutch physician and women's suffrage activist. This is the way we say Aletta Jacobs. Aletta Jacobs. There is a light emphasis on the second syllable of the first name and on the first syllable of the last name. Aletta Jacobs. Aletta Jacobs. Aletta Jacobs. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!